In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound on YouTube. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you are trying to watch YouTube videos and you're not getting any sound come through, there's a couple of things you can check and do to fix this problem. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you haven't accidentally muted the video. So if you hover over the video you're trying to watch, and next to the play button, you're going to see a sound icon down here, like a speak icon. If the speak icon has a cross, this means the video is currently muted. So if that's the case for you, just give it a click and that's going to unmute the video. Also, another thing you want to check is if you come up to the tab at the top of the page, and what you want to do is right click onto the tab. On this menu that comes up, you've also got the option to mute site. So it could be that you've accidentally muted the site, in which case if you have, when you right click onto this, you're going to see an option which says unmute site. So give that a click and hopefully that should fix the problem and allow you to have sound again on your YouTube videos. Now, if you're still not getting any sound on YouTube after trying this, then what I would recommend doing is clearing your browser cache. To do that, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Chrome, give a click onto the three dots, and then hover over the history icon on this menu that comes up. Now, you're going to find a submenu is going to come up, so what you want to do is click onto history. Once you're on your history screen, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side, and what you need to do is click here where it says delete browsing data. Now, what that's going to do is open a window like this, and what I would recommend doing is clearing your cached images and files. You can also try clearing your browsing history and cookies and things like that as well. But of course, anything you do delete, make sure you do make a note of any login passwords for any websites, as if you do delete things like cookies and that, you're going to have to log back into websites. So I would also recommend deleting this for all time. So if you look at the top, we got some different timelines we can delete for, and what you want to do is click onto more over here, select all time, and then proceed to click the delete data button. Once you've done that, hopefully that should fix the problem and you should now have sound coming through. But if that didn't work for you, another thing you can try is come into your desktop and making sure that your sound driver is currently up to date. So out of date sound drivers can affect sound coming through on things like websites and just your PC or laptop in general. So to check this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type device manager and then open up device manager underneath best match. Once it's loaded through, you're going to see a window like this, and what you want to do is come down to sound, video and game controllers. So it's in alphabetical order, you can see it's down here. Click the small arrow next to this to expand it, and what you want to do is find your sound driver, which is generally going to be something like Realtek Audio, or it might be NVIDIA depending on what sort of driver you have. What you want to do is, once you found it, right click onto it, click the update driver option, and then click search automatically for drivers. So there might be an update available, or in my case, it might say something like the best drivers are already installed, but you can also search on Windows Update as well. So that's going to give you the option here, give it a click, and you can also check onto update on Windows Update as well to see if there's any drivers. So from here, click the blue check for update option, and if there's any updates available, of course, you can install those. And once you've done that, you have to restart your PC, but that should fix any problems. There's also a advanced options, which you can click on. And on here, what you can do is scroll down to additional options. And from here, you can come down to additional options, click onto optional updates. And again, if there's any optional updates, you can click download and install those, restart your PC, and that should fix any problems with sound. And hopefully you should now have sound coming through on YouTube. So that is how to fix no sound on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.